Life is an ever-evolving narrative, isn't it? One that's filled with uncontrollable events and challenges that sometimes test the very core of our mettle. And even when those experiences are not so traumatic or tragic, just the rhythm of daily life requires us to be resilient, requires us to connect with that source that allows us to survive the worst days of our lives and at the same time thrive every single day of our lives. I think one of the things that we have to come to grips with is to learn to embrace change and to see change as a chance to learn and grow. Because look, life isn't always going to be easy, but it's those very struggles though that make us stronger. It's those struggles that help us to develop grit, help us to get hardy. But to do that, you have to believe in yourself. You have to trust the journey. You have to have faith that somehow or another things are going to work out in the end. It's our resilience that is going to take us through the storms. So look, man, don't give up on your dreams. Keep on pushing.